Many people underestimate the physical environment where a negotiation takes place. They think any conference room or conference area will do. But ambiance and mood play a huge role in negotiations. Here are some small tips you can use to create the best atmosphere possible for a negotiation. First, provide everyone with a hot drink. Even if they're not going to drink it, holding the warm cup can bring on warm feelings. It's a way to be hospitable and make them feel comfortable in a tense situation. Second, you need to pick the right room. The room should have lighting that is clear, but not abrasive. You want to make reading easy, but not create an irritating glare. The area should be quiet enough for people to think, but not be completely silent. Chairs and furnishing should be comfortable enough that they are not noticeably bad or distracting. Third, provide food. Eating together can create relationships, increase trust, and can encourage cooperation. It's also a great way to take a break from the negotiation and relax for a moment. And finally, make sure everyone knows a negotiation is going to take place, and be sure that you arrive a few minutes earlier. Jumping into an unexpected negotiation during a meeting can cause a startled or angry response.